Imagine this, your new car is stopped at a traffic signal. Suddenly, someone hits your car and drives away. Later, they confidently say, it wasn't my fault. And the worst part, you can't prove anything because you don't have a dash camera. In today's time, a dash cam is not a luxury, it is a necessity. That's why today, I'm showing you a smart and powerful dash cam. VidSure 3K QHD Dashcam by Onelap. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you get a 3K front dashcam with Sony STARVIS IMX335 sensor. You also get 1080p rear camera and a 3.5 meter USB cable. You also get car charger and mounting accessories. Installation is super easy. You can set it up in just 2 to 3 minutes. Onelap also offers hard wiring kit and it is budget friendly. And now let's look at the video quality. This dash cam records in ultra sharp 3K resolution and comes with a genuine Sony STARVIS sensor with HDR. Whether it is daytime or nighttime, number plates remain visibly clear even when you zoom in. The rear camera records in 1080p, so your car is protected from behind as well. The dashcam also comes with a built-in Wi-Fi. Simply connect it to the app in your phone and you can watch the recording, download the clips and change the settings easily. It has a 1.47-inch IPS display which is compact, clear and useful. Even without your phone, you can preview the recordings on the dashcam itself. If there is sudden braking or strong impact, the built-in G sensor gets activated and automatically logs the footage so it doesn't get deleted. The 140-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road and surroundings, significantly reducing the blind spots. We spend money on so many car accessories like perfumes, seat cover and ambient lights. But the real safety upgrade is the dashcam. The VidSure 3K by Onelap offers ultra-clear 3K front footage, 1080p rear camera support, HDR clarity even at night time, emergency video locking, app-based control with the Wi-Fi and wide-angle road coverage. I'm recommending this only because it offers great value for your money. This product is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Onelap's website. I have tagged the products on the screen and the purchase link are in the description.